This recipe is from the July Simple Ingredients Multiple Meals. It's called Cowboy Dip. It involves our Spotlight meal tomatoes. Combine all diced and chopped ingredients into a large bowl. In another bowl, mix your lime juice, Italian dressing, and garlic powder. Pour dressing ingredients over chopped vegetables and mix until vegetables are evenly covered. Serve over proteins, dip chips, or eat by the spoonful.